Now today we're going to try to solve this problem, however, not using math, using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has a new feature which is in beta. That's for ChatGPT Plus users. I do have an account so that I can enable this feature. So we're going to show that. So what is a code interpreter? Now it is a new beta feature that will greatly empower you, the user, to rely on ChatGPT to solve many different problems. Now, what can it do? So it can perform calculations and solve mathematical problems. And we're going to demo that today. And of course, it can interact with Python libraries, such as SymPy for symbolic computation. That's what I'm going to demonstrate today. And some data processing task, sometimes tedious to use pandas or Excel. You can just use Python package for that, and then of course the programming is automatic by the ChatGPT, and much more, right? So what we gonna do today is to have a demo that try to solve this equation. All right, do you know how to solve it? All right, so try it and leave comments if you have a solution to this problem. Of course, without relying on symbolic computation software. All right, so let's go. Here, I'm going to enable the GPT-4, and of course, I enable this feature here, this code interpreter here. So what it does, it has a sandbox environment to be able to run Python program to handle different tasks, so that you can do like OCR, or you can do some transcoding of maybe video, or do some TTS service, I assume. Actually, I'm not sure about that, but in our case, we're gonna try to ask it to solve a math equation here. All right, so this is a problem here. Try to solve the roots for this z to the 6th, z to the 4th, 3, and second power, and plus 1. Notice that we're missing z to the 5th and z here, right? So this equation, of course, the solution is going to be complex number. So let's ChatGPT solve this equation. Let's submit it. Right? So it's working. So it's enable some Python environment to be able to run, right? So right now the answers are listed here. So this is the result. So let's show the work here. Oh, looks like it's using what is called a symbolic package, which in Python that can handle symbolic formula multiplication, and they can, in this package, allow you to define the equation here, and then you can solve it using the software here, right? This is a Python package. Underneath, how that is done, we actually don't care. Of course, you can also copy the code, try to run it in your local environment, right? So that's cool. Let's hide that, and of course, this is going to be the results. Is well formatted. How would you solve this without relying on ChatGPT? That's a challenge problem for you. If you have a solution, please use the comments to share your solution. Thank you. So for me, I think this release is another major milestone of the ChatGPT, which we're definitely going to change the way we work, the way we study mathematics even, right? We're going to rethink how we learn things, how we going to plan our future job. We should all be very excited, and also should be very happy that we are lucky to live in this period where the AI will empower us to do things in a more effective way. So this particular tool is really great for learning and problem solving, and it can automate complex computation, and of course it can showcase how AI can interact with programming language. It is aware of many well-known Python packages for OCR and data processing and other numerical calculations. Hope this will motivate you to give it a try with this new feature. Of course, you have to be the beta user. It's going to be a powerful tool. We may try something more complex next time. In the meantime, hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.